Ukrainian drone army is staying busy, as seen here where a drone finds an ammunition depot barely hiding in the woods. As the drone drops a grenade, the explosion is massive and powerful as the ammunition detonates. As a massive smoke cloud rises, it later gives away to ground zero. As we can see a large crater and the shaved trees, we also see a BMP taken out in the explosion, making the heat to melt the BMP's shell, making it into scrap metal, showing the power and heat of the explosion, letting the Ukrainian drone army to reduce a little more of Russia's ammunition, while taking out another of Russia's equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.